Hello, Leroy Jenkins and everybody else at A Rough Go Incorporated. My name is Parker Yates, and I am a inspiring 3D designer. I have currently just moved to Salt Lake City, Utah, and from Orlando, Florida. I decided to do that just to get closer to the outdoors, into the mountains. You don't really get that type of stuff in Florida. You can get in touch with me anyway, if that's email or phone number. That both of those work. I'm down for any sort of communication. All right. Let's start looking at some of my work and my 3D models. Alrighty. Here we have isometric rooms. This is the first attempt at that. It is a one-to-one of my apartment back in Orlando, Florida. I really like to look at isometric rooms with what other people have made, and I decided to just make one myself. Here is my second attempt at an isometric room. This one is more of like a cabin feel. This I worked more with the lighting. I've decided to get more towards lighting and how that works. You got the moonlight coming in, and it's just something, I'm learning. I'm going along with it. The next thing I'm working on right now, I'm working on a market. This will be a food stand for the market. And here is also a character model. It is T-posed right now to be able to start rigging on it. And then I also have a popsicle cart that's in the works right now, and that will be added to the food stand and to the market. Let's look at some past things I've done. So Old Requiem, it was a team of 9 people. I was the tech lead for it. We worked in the Unreal Engine. It was a third-person game where you played a character, Isaiah, and I worked on the original Snake AI that would follow Isaiah around and attack him. This is the blackboard for it in Unreal. I also worked on a popper system. You would throw a popper out, and it would attract the snakes to it. And I also worked on the desk room and the chase scene for that game. And then a solo project I worked on, also in Unreal Engine, was Isle of Lidar. It is just an island, kind of a obstacle course where you'd go through and you'd use these 3 different mechanics: a rope swing mechanic, a zip line, and a walk wall climb. And here are some other things I've put together. Here is like a science laboratory and like a cargo bay area. All right, let's go up and go to Requiem. Requiem was a game I developed with Helion Studios. It was a team size of 18, and I was a level designer for it. In that game, I mostly worked on the Wrath level, which were Isaiah would be going through mirrors and be teleporting to different locations. And then here's also a video for the alpha build. If you want to watch that, it's going to be on my website here. Thank you so much for your consideration for the job.